you'll see it latch. Push that in now.
The terminal to the left is the neutral, the one in the middle is our live feed, and the one to the right is our common. As I said earlier, these do vary from machine to machine. So the one on the left here is our neutral, the one on the right is the common, and the one in the middle is the live feed. Now what actually happens is when the live and neutral heat up the PTC heater, it will heat the bimetal strip, which will then move the mechanical part of the switch. The live is constantly live, and the yellow goes to a lamp. So as we throw the door switch over as to simulate the door closed, it will activate the light after the bimetal strip has been heated up. Inside the door lock there is also a locking pin which is thrown over as the common is activated. This actually keeps the door locked and keeps it locked even after the machine has finished for roughly 2 minutes. This is why you can never get into your machine at the end of the cycle straight away. So the neutral is going to be switched, the live is constant, and then once we push the door lock over to simulate the door being closed, the power will then go through the yellow wire to the lamp, showing that the machine has got a live circuit. As the bimetal strip is heated, it pushes the switch over, but the lamp only comes on if the door was shut. So we're just shutting the door there and the lamp comes on. This is showing that we have now power being allowed to pass from the live to the common to activate the rest of the machine. I will show you in more detail the bimetal strip heating up, and here goes the switch and it throws it over. Now this also activates the pin that locks the door in place. At the end of a wash cycle, even though the machine has finished its cycle, it will not allow you to open the door for roughly about 2 minutes while the bimetal strip cools down. When the bimetal strip has cooled down in 2 minutes, the lamp will go out. You can see the light going out here now. That means that the power has been cut from the feed to the common. But as you can see, the switch has not gone down, which locks the door. As soon as you touch the door handle or press the door release button, it takes the pressure off this switch and it pops back in.